Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Alam mo itong mga gagagon to, isigway ko na lang. They keep on threatening me with lawsuits and everything. Trillanes and itong si Carpio and his ilk. Panay ang takot sa akin na mademanda ako. Sabi ng batas na kung presidente ka, vice-presidenta ka, may immunity ka. Adi, tatakbo na lang ako ng vice-presidente. And after that, tatakbo ulit ako ng vice-presidente at vice-presidente at vice-presidente. Itong mga hole in the head, panay ang takot sa akin. Ito, Trillanes. Akala mo naman, magsasalita siya ng ordinaryong tao. You know, I'm a lawyer, and they can never acquire jurisdiction over my person. Not in a million years. Alam mo, if I may just repeat the requirements of the Constitution, particularly the phrase due process. Alam mo, lahat ng treaties goes to the President. Then if he affirms the contents, dipirmahan niya, tapos padala niya doon sa Congress for the ratification. Then, iyang papel na yan, babalik uli sa Presidente. Then the President issues the order to the Bureau of Printing to include this particular treaty in the official gazette. That is the requirement of the law. Ang ginawa nitong mga mukoy, right after the President Estrada signed the treaty, in their maybe over-enthusiastic, I really do not know, nilipad kaagad nila doon sa Rome and appended it in the Rome Statute sa ICC, bypassing the President and the Bureau of Printing. Na in Tovera versus Enrile, Supreme Court said that failure to publish a law or a treaty, whatever it is, especially a penal law, if you do not publish it, it becomes fatal. It is as if there is no law because it is only in publishing it in the official gazette that the Filipinos are informed that there is an existing law which says this, that, ito. Failing that, there is no law at all. Walang batas. So if they are invoking the Rome Statute, ito si Carpio, ito bright naman ito, bright na bugok, marami yan silang gano'n eh. Sobra ka bright, bugok. But I don't think Carpio is bright. Kababayan ko yan eh. Ano lang, mapurma. Kaya gano'n. Ito si Trillanes, sige, yo. They cannot. They have to, this is treaties shall form part of the law of the land. So treaties that are ratified, then published, approved by the President, dito it becomes a law. Failure to do that, there is no law. And so, ano mang dinadaldal nila, they have to go into the process. Because if they insist on trying me on the basis of the Rome Statute, which we appended illegally because there was no publication, ang maglabas niyan, I would go to this Constitution which says that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. So I will transfer that phrase in my case. I was deprived of a due process. Kung ako na sa gobyerno, hindi ko alam itong putang inang mayroon pala itong batas na ito. Sila-sila lang itong mga left, pati sabay ng mga dilawan. The dilawan and the left were the ones really pushing for it. In the process, they stumbled. So wala. I can always go to the Supreme Court and say, I was deprived of due process. Hindi naman nila ako sinabihan. How can I be, because it is only during the publication that every Filipino is put on notice that there is a law, especially if it is a penal law. Kailangan mo talaga i-publish. Failing, then there is really a fatal flaw in the process. Nawala ako doon. Ano bang paragraph yun?